ZANU PF youths disrupt provincial conference over unfulfilled promises. By Newsday reporter, the 17th of September 2025. Spread the love. Tempers flared at the ZANU PF Mashonaland West Provincial Inter-District Conference, held at Chinhoyi University of Technology on Sunday, as party youths openly booed and heckled Politburo member and Justice Minister ZVAITWA. The disruption stemmed from unfulfilled promises on land distribution and the presidential heifer scheme. ZVAITWA was booed 3 times during his address, prompting Health and Child Care Minister Douglas Mamashora to step in and calm the situation. But his intervention failed to pacify the delegates. Frustrated youths complained that some had received offer letters for non-existent land, accusing the leadership of focusing on the 2030 agenda while neglecting commitments made for 2028. Attempts by Provincial Chairperson Mary Mnangagwa to restore order were drowned out by continued demands. The standoff eased only after Mashonaland West War Veterans League Chairperson Hapison Muchachetter addressed the crowd, urging calm. Efforts to get comment from Mnangagwa were unsuccessful, while Provincial Secretary for Information and Vice Chairperson Ms. Hek Nyarubero refused to comment, citing the sensitivity of the matter. Despite the disruption, the conference resumed with little time left for business. The only resolution announced was a call to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term from 2028 to 2030, reaffirming a resolution made at the Bulawayo Conference last year. As Mashonaland West Province has unanimously resolved, we call for the immediate implementation of our resolution to endorse and affirm His Excellency Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa as the first Secretary for ZANU PF and President of Zimbabwe to continue serving in both capacities until 2030, the resolution read.